series of demonstrations designed to get you quickly up to speed with what's new in NX-CAM. This demonstration will show you how to perform deep hole drilling using a new operation subtype designed to meet the special requirements of drilling deep holes. Additional cycle parameters allow you to control the spindle behavior when engaging into the pilot hole and retracting from the deep hole, as well as control coolant when engaging, cutting, and retracting. We'll begin the demonstration by drilling pilot holes. Click Create Operation. Click Drilling. Click Specify Feature Geometry. The pilot hole should have a depth of roughly twice the tool diameter. Double-click the depth lock icon and type 16 in the depth box. The three features in the geometry group show the 16 mm pilot hole depth. Click OK in the Feature Geometry dialog box. Click Generate. Click Verify. Click Play. Click OK to complete the operation. Now that the pilot holes have been drilled, we'll create a deep hole drilling operation. Click Create Operation. Select Deep Hole Drilling. This operation subtype is new. Select Gun Drill and click OK. Click Specify Feature Geometry. There are no intersecting holes, so there's no need to specify an intersection strategy. Select None from the intersection strategy list. The control point parameter is new. If control point is set to in-process feature, the tool will rapid through the pilot hole as it approaches the control point located at the in-process feature. This is generally an undesirable behavior. If control point is set to machining feature, the tool will rapid through the control point at the machining feature and then move through the pilot hole at the specified engaged feed rate as it approaches the in-process feature. This is the desirable behavior in most cases. Be sure machining feature is selected from the control point list. Click OK to accept the feature geometry. Click Feeds and Speeds. In the feed rate section of the dialog box under More, type 50 in the Engage box so the engaged feed rate is 50% of the cut feed rate. Click OK in the Feeds and Speeds dialog box. Click Generate. Click Verify. For each hole, the tool engages through the pilot hole at the specified engaged feed rate to the point defined by the top offset. It then continues at half the cut feed rate as it enters the material traveling through the first cut move to the control point. It drills at the cut feed rate to the last cut move, where it slows to half the cut feed rate before retracting. The new cycle options allow you to drill with or without chip breakage. Deep drilling and deep drilling with chip breakage cycles are new for sequential drilling and deep hole drilling operations. Deep drilling with chip breakage contains the same cycle parameters as deep drilling cycle, but with the additional parameters currently used for break chip drilling. With deep drilling selected from the cycle list, click Edit Cycle. The Engage Conditions section of the Cycle Parameters dialog box is new. These options control the coolant and spindle behavior as the tool moves through the pilot hole. The coolant options in the Cut Conditions section and the spindle and coolant options in the Retract Conditions section of the dialog box are also new. In the Retract Conditions section of the dialog box, Location specifies where to apply the spindle and coolant retract conditions. At bottom applies the specified spindle and coolant conditions before retracting out of the hole. At top applies the specified spindle and coolant conditions at the deep drilling start plane after retracting out of the hole. Bottom release distance specifies how far from the hole bottom to apply the coolant and spindle retract conditions. This concludes the demonstration of how to perform deep hole drilling using the new operation subtype and additional cycle parameters. Thank you.